Hello everybody, I had a catastrophic mailbox failure. Well, I'll take that back. It's been happening over time. First thing that happened was this door fell off. It was tack welded here at the hinge. I just drilled out and put some screws and nuts. I'm going to put some thread lock on it for a final touch. The next thing that happened, the magnet was bad. This wouldn't latch. Next thing that happened is the base. Here's the original base for it. It had rotted out, so the mailbox was flopping around on one side. Got a new redwood base. I've already got it installed out there. There it is on the mailbox stand. But wait, there's more. The lock broke. There's the bits and pieces of the old lock. So I had one on hand, wasn't quite the correct one, but I made it work. Had to do a little bit of modification, enlarge the hole a little bit. It was always a little floppy like that, but should be back in full service. A lot of people would have gone out and just bought a whole new mailbox, but this is a pretty heavy duty one. They're pretty expensive, so I want to do what I could to fix this one. In my final touch, I'm going to polish it out, put a coat of wax on it, make it look a little better. So we'll come back when I get that done. I'm just using this Turtle Wax Scratch and Repair Renew. Seems to be doing a fine job. It's bringing back some gloss to it. And I'm just going to work on this till it's as shiny as I'd like it to be. Oh, about 15 minutes or so later, here it all is. All polished back up, and we even went all out and put the ceramic wax on it today. Perfect shape again. Go install it on the stand out there. And here is the completed project. Fully functional once again.